ready to ditch the wallet and speed up your Target runs. Let's find out if Target takes Apple Pay. First things first, the good news: yes, Target stores do accept Apple Pay. You can use Apple Pay at checkout in all Target locations. When you're at the checkout lane, just let the cashier know you'll be using Apple Pay, then hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the contactless payment terminal. If you're using Face ID, double-click the side button on your iPhone and authenticate with your face for Touch ID. Simply place your finger on the home button. On your Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold the display near the reader. You should hear a beep and see a check mark indicating your payment was successful. But what about shopping online or through the Target app? Great news here too. The Target app also accepts Apple Pay. During the checkout process in the app, simply select Apple Pay as your preferred payment method. You'll be prompted to authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, just like in store. So, whether you're grabbing groceries, clothes, or the latest gadgets, you can enjoy the convenience and security of Apple Pay at Target, both in store and online. Happy shopping!